how to remove Snapchat filter from a photo. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and now in order to remove a filter from Snapchat, firstly, go ahead and open the image from where you want to remove the filter. As you can see, I have added a filter on this particular image. Now, in order to remove the existing filter, simply tap hold on the screen and a pop-up menu will appear. Tap on the Edit Snap option, and now, if you swipe through on the screen, you will be able to view various other filters. Simply swipe through until you see the original filter, like the one shown on the screen. Now go back and tap on the Save Changes button, and with this, the Snapchat filter will be removed. So, this is how you can remove Snapchat filter from a photo. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel, Login Shines, for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.